Welcome again, and this is the April Nihonbox, and I decided to get back to doing the stand-up unboxing because I don't know, it felt it felt less me the last time, so let's get to it. Oh, well, as you know, I've lost I've lost track of what's inside it. The only thing I know is that this and the next box will have something Pokemon related, and this maybe one of the two has something Beastars related, but I'm not sure about that. So let's get to it. Opening with the logo on the top this time, so I won't make mistakes. Okay. Whoa. So we have Spring Memories, and let me check it first. From what I see, there's Pikachu here, Frieren, that's Naruto, and I think this is Gintama maybe. I'm not sure about that. It could be. So, April 2025. I just opened it, but I haven't checked. So let's see from what we start. Okay. Sakura Meguri. May this bright season touch your heart in a very special way, sending you some smiles. Oh. So as you can see, it's kind of a notebook or with cherry blossom things, well, cherry blossom themed. That's it really. Let's see if it's on the pamphlet and they say something about it. Yeah, they do. Sakura motif washi stationery, made in Japan. The cherry blossom season inspired many products in Japan. I've seen the figure. Okay. I know I made a mistake, but it's okay. And it's something that I wanted. It's okay. The cherry blossom season inspired many products in Japan, from food to merchandise, and of course stationery, one of the Japanese specialities. This superb traditional stationery made from washi in Japan is sure to transport you in the atmosphere of the beautiful season. Okay. I've seen again the figure. I have no idea what this is, but the character looks familiar. Gintama, I think. Well, the assistant of Gintama. It's an acrylic thing. It's pretty. It's, I think, from Gintama, but I can't tell. Reading Japanese would be very helpful, but yep. Gintama acrylic block or keyring. Well, we got the acrylic block. The merry band of Gintama take a little contemplative break under the cherry trees with this Hanami designed product. In your box you'll find either a pretty acrylic block or a colorful keyring, both perfect for fans and of this cult series. Okay. I don't know the character though. That's food. Okay, let's go with the traditional item that I've seen what it is in the pamphlet, because you go to read stuff and you'll know what's coming for you in most cases. So but I don't have to spoil the surprise to you. That's the point. So we have this, a Sakura bowl, a Sakura team bowl, and it's pretty. I like it. Let's see what they say about it. Sakura bowl made in Japan. Enjoy your favorite dishes in this splendid Sakura bowl made in Japan. It features delicate cherry blossom motifs symbolizing springtime renewal. An authentic object that will bring a simple, refined elegance to your table during this period of full Sakura blossom. Not a lot of Sakura where I'm living in. So yeah, there's a box. It's cute. Okay, let me see. I gotta find the opening first. Okay. Basically, these are stackable. These are stackable boxes, and as you can see, you have a box inside here that you can put here and there. And you got the Pokemon starters, the first generation, with their evolution, but not the middle evolution, the final evolution. And you could also stack other boxes if you had something like that, which is pretty and useful for little things. Though, well, they are useful, but if you tilt them a bit, you see, the things come out. So they have to be somewhere steady. Let's see. Well, they have to be on a stable on a stable platform. Pokemon mini storage boxes. Discover this duo of brightly colored Pokemon cubic boxes with an adorable design. Both can be assembled in a multitude of ways thanks to their ingenious interlocking system. Practical and cute, they'll add a playful touch to your space while helping you organize your little everyday treasures. Yes, that's... We can interlock them in other ways, like this, for example. And I'll get to the default position because, you know what? Maybe not. Okay, I've managed to. Now we have an Agretsuko pouch. I haven't seen it yet, but it looks interesting, and it's interesting. And it's very soft. Oh, it's on the bottom. You can see that there's the free time Agretsuko and the work time Agretsuko, which is very cute. Okay, let's see what they say about it. Agretsuko pouch or plush. Meet Retsuko, the adorable red panda with the explosive temperament, in a cuddly plush or practical pouch. This iconic Sanrio character, known for her double life as a discreet accountant by day and a raging death metal singer by night, will add a touch of originality to your collection. Okay. Now there's three things left. Chopsticks with the Freeren theme. No, the plastic will reflect the light, so I gotta show you. If only the camera would focus on that, but it's not happening. So okay. And the last thing before the figure, it's something to eat. Freeren chopsticks. An essential accessory for any self-respecting hanami. This elegant pair of Freeren chopstick will add the magical touch to your meals. Inspired by the melancholy and poetic world of Freeren beyond Germany's end, this high-quality bamboo chopstick will accompany you under the cherry blossom as well as during your daily meals. A practical item for all fans of this enchanting series. Now we got the Daifuku that are Sakura themed. Sakura Matsuri. It's gonna be a risk. It's gonna be a risk to taste one while I obviously need some water. But you know, let's do it. It's very pretty. It does resemble the Sakura. So let's see. Okay, the taste is good. It's a little, You know, like the Daifuku and the Mochi are a little, well, they can be hard to swallow. And you need water. Daifuku Sakura. Treat your taste buds to this delicious Daifuku, made by a manufacturer in Nagano who specializes in wagashi, traditional Japanese pastries. These mochi come in two exquisite flavors, a classic version white and a sakura version pink, where cherry leaves have been used to create the distinctive flavor. An authentic seasonal delicacy that will bring you straight to the cherry blossom of Japan. It's nice. The Japanese sweets can be a little weird because they are not that sweet. And so, as a last thing, we have the figure that is from the Naruto series, but not Naruto Shippuden, it's from Naruto. And in particular, it could be, I think you saw that, it could be either Naruto or Sasuke. And we got Naruto. Now, between Naruto and Sasuke, at the first I was leaning more towards Sasuke, but I like Naruto too, and he has a very interesting story. I didn't like too much the way it ended. And I haven't seen Boruto yet because it had something interesting, but it's not quite convincing. And yet I know that it's starting to get interesting now. Well, even before than that, but still. So, we have Naruto with the Kyuubi thing. Well, this is basically the fight that there was between Naruto and Sasuke before before Shippuden, when Sasuke decided to train with Orochimaru. I think I gotta cut something or I might regret it. Yeah. It's very, very pretty. I'm gonna show you everything in a moment, but you can see that it's very detailed and I like it. So, usually the figure comes in 2 pieces. This one has 4. I didn't notice that, but well, the amount of details, it's really interesting because I'm gonna, like, if I do a close-up there, basically you can see that I don't think you can see because it won't focus on that, but the hand holding the Rasengan actually has longer nails, longer fingernails, like it happened during the the fight when he manifested the Kyubi. Well, Kurama. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, this, whatever figure I would have got this time, it would have been a win-win. Because it was either Naruto with like this, or Sasuke with the cursed seed, with the cursed mark. Okay, this is gonna take a little. Supposedly it's like this. Okay. There you have it. It's very, very interesting. Let me see if they like that. So let's see what they say about it, and I'll show you the picture of how Sasuke looks like. Memorable saga Naruto figure. Step back into the timeless world of Naruto with these figurines. From the memorable saga range and just released in Japan, 2 different figurines are available. Either Naruto with his legendary Rasengan and Kyubi chakra emanating from his body, or Sasuke using his fearsome black Chidori. Either way, a lovely piece for all fans of Masashi Kishimoto's work. So, there is Sasuke, and this is Naruto. So, you know, either way, it would have been a success. And that's all for today. Thank you for passing by, and like, comment, and subscribe if you want, because it would really help. Bye. I need to drink some water.